Okay. So support project means so okay. So support project means see can you mute yourself, right? It's an echo sound. It is. Thanks.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. 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 After implementation is over, so support project will start. So in this support project, if the end users are creating PR or PO or material creation or vendor creations, any transactions, the day-to-day activities, they will got some errors. So who will fix that error? Support teams will be team. Support teams will be there. Those people, they will fix the errors. So whatever errors means, so at the time of your practice time, whatever you got errors, those only errors means. So we will, if you got error, so how we will sending to the this ticket to the support teams. So after we sending, what are the ticketing tools we'll be using, and how they will rectify the issues once they will receive the ticket. So that kind of process we will see. Okay, see, support project is generally which includes the handling tickets is called is issues tracking systems. That means what type of tickets is there, how many tickets we received, how many tickets we fixed, how many tickets are worked on. So this kind of informations will be welcome in support. Okay, the errors or bugs forwarded by the end user to the support teams, or so how we will handle the tickets means based on the priority basis. So high ticket is there, medium ticket is there, low ticket is there. Again, each and every severity, that means tickets, each and every ticket we have a time limit. It is there, that is called a service level agreement. Within the time period we have to fix the error. That means if high means it is in some companies high, very high, low, medium, high, very high, medium, low. Four types will be there, but this is the standards. High, medium, low will be there. So high ticket, it will say it's in some companies 1 working day they will put. So 1 working day means it is in 8 hours. So some companies it is in high ticket and all they will put is in 4 to 5 hours. That will be high tickets and all. Very critical ticket, high priority will come. Medium ticket 2 to 3 working days. Low tickets and all they will put 3 working days, or sorry, 4 working days something. So they can maintain within the time period. They have to fix the errors. We have to fix the error, then we need to communicate it to the technical teams, or how we need to be fixed the after fix the tickets, we need to be move the data to the production systems. That kind of roles will come under support project. Okay, support project also sometimes who are participated implementation project, same people sometimes they will work in support also, because they know very well where they done the configurations, where they done to the each and every steps, they know configurations where they done it is realization, it is in started all the configurations, they know. In case if any new people joined support project, so they will go through the document, business blueprint document, they'll refer the document, they will study the document. Once they got the error, they will based on documents, what is the plant, what is the storage locations, what is the purchase organization, what is the number ranges, what is the material types, each and everything. So they will study the business blueprint document, and they will fix the errors. But we should be very support project also, we should be strong in subject, because sometimes day-to-day activities will come. Today if you have received 5 tickets, 5 tickets will come 5 different topics. Each ticket it is in different topics. One ticket in metal master will come, one ticket in support in special procurements under STO will come, so one ticket it is in subcontracting PO will come. So you should have all the topics knowledge. So that is the reason CSC, the support is the client very understand the analyze to articulate and give the right solution right time. This is the job of support consultant. We should have very special here. the SAP is already implemented, which the person should be the very strong in the subject, the process also. So we need to know how it will be processed also. Process anything's process. So if you are in support project, you should know the configurations. We need to tell the end users also. So this is the reason you got the errors. You done the, I mean, you selected wrong information or data you selected. So that is the reasons you got the errors. We need to be give the solutions to the next time. If you before whenever you creating, please check this information. So like that we should give the information also. That is the reason. See, right time, right solutions we should give. That is this is about the support project. Okay, the support project here. See, the issues or tickets, that is the problems which are raised are taken care of the priority basis. The supporting consultant. What are the ticketing tools they're using in SAP field? BMS Remedy, SAP Solution Manager, the Solution Manager as a Solman, and ServiceNow. ServiceNow is a short form S now. S is Service Now. Service Now. That is S now they will call. If you see any ticketing tools of maybe Naukri somewhere, they will mention BMS Remedy, the Solman, or SAP Solution Manager, or ServiceNow. That will say yes now. Anyone ticketing, but most of the companies, SAP field who are using already implemented, they're using this one of the leading ticketing tools, because this is very old tickets. Still it is in using in market. This the ticket service now. It will come recently means it's a 4 5 years back. That is recently in SAP language. Very old means it's a 5 years 10 years they're using till ticketing tools. Again, this on the based on the cost wises. Some clients they will go for BMS Revdy, some vendors, some clients they will go solution manager, or some clients they will go for service now. Now it is in all the industries, whether it's a manufacturing company, whether IT services or pharma, every company. So now they're using ticketing tools. It is this is the new ticketing tools, service now. So it will be now. It is in all the industries are they're using this started. This is the ticketing tools in three types of. There are so many are there in the market, but this is the priority basis using ticketing tools in SAP field. So first you can say BMS Remedy, SAP Solution Manager. They will ask which ticketing tools you have work experience. You say work experience, that's it. You don't. They will not give a work on. Okay, you explain to me. Okay, they will give. They will not give to you system and you how, because each and every company they're using different ticketing tools. It's not standard, it's not a constant to all the industries and all the companies and all. So I will use BMS Remedy, your company using Solution Manager, Service Now, another company using. Apart from these three, they will not use, they will go for any other also. So based on the cost, whatever they have, they will go. So that is any ticketing tools they will use. Some of the standard processes there, how to handle the ticket. That is they wanted in interview times. How you are going to handle the tickets, support tickets. That's it. Okay. Here again the tickets means here. See, L1, L2, L3 will come. So here ticket types we said high, medium, low is there. Some companies L1 is the lowest level, or L2 is a medium level, and L3 is a highest level. Some companies L1 is the highest, L2 is a medium, L3 is a low. So how they wanted they can do, maintain. But standardly L1, L2, three types of tickets. Okay, so that is not L1 means it's not lowest to L3 is not higher. L3 means it's highest, not like that. Each and every company they can do whatever they wanted. So levels they can set internally. That is how they wanted as per their business requirements. Okay, this is very simple. So okay, so next, so any tickets first we received one ticket. Okay, so suppose 1 second.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Hello. లేదురా. ఆడ బైపాస్ రోడ్లో నువ్వు వచ్చినాక మళ్ళీ పోదాం లేదు, ఏడున్నావు నువ్వు? ఆ, అడు వస్తా వస్తా కావాల్సి ఉంటాడు. బైపాస్లో బేకరీ ఉంది, అపూర్వ బేకరీ ఉంది, తెలిసిన? ఆడ బైపాస్ ఇక్కడ అనిల్ వాళ్ళ కాలేజ్ ఉంది కదా, వివేకానంద కాలేజ్ అది. అవును రా, ఆడే వస్తా వస్తా నీకే కనిపిస్తుంది. సరేలే, నాకు వచ్చి బేకరీ దగ్గరికి వచ్చి ఫోన్ చేయి కావాల్సి. నేను వస్తాను, నేను కూడా ఆట కావాల్సి ఉంటే, లేదంటే అట్లే చెప్తాను. సరే. Okay, so tickets generally the support teams end user they will create one ticket. After creating, they will sending to the support team managers will be there. So directly we will not ticket received from the end users. So first all the tickets it will go to manager. Okay, so manager based on ticket categories and level, if ticket is medium they will sending persons. If high is there, they will send different people. How they will send different people? In case support consultant, support project, we are 4 members are there. Okay, so 4 members, each and every person is a different experience levels is different. Okay, so even based on that too, our manager he will assign the ticket to you. So sometimes you will be receiving low ticket, sometimes you will be receive high ticket, sometimes you will be receive medium ticket also, because the managers they will based on your knowledge, skills, experience you can keep it separately, because in some company 5 years experience also they don't have subject knowledge. Who are having 3 4 years work experience subject, they have very good subject knowledge. So experience is not like defining the survey, I mean subject knowledge and all. So that is second. So first subject knowledge who have, they will assign it. Okay. So once we receive the ticket from the managers, okay, the end user is created. First we need to analyze the ticket, how it is, which topics he got the error, whether he is done the config, I mean whether he given the inputs. Input means whenever if I'm creating purchase order, vendor is correct. Okay, purchase organization, whether it's correct, or purchase company code is correct or not, purchase group is correct, or materials is correct or not, materials whether it created under this plant or different plant. So first we have to analyze this areas and all, everything it is correct. So you got one error, maybe some other regions you got one error. Then we have to see the configurations level. So how? So once you see the configurations ticket, you will be fixed finally. Some examples you will get some control indicators not maintained for materials. What is the error? Then we will going for the OMS2 and we take the configurations for the plant and materials. Now it will be done. After ticket is fixed, now you error is finalized and you fix the error. So first we will fixing that error. It will be in development system. Generally each and every company servers will be there. So last class also we discussed in implementation project, development system, quality and testing system, and production system. Some companies the quality server is separate, testing server is separate. So some companies they will maintain two in one server, quality and testing servers. So development systems first we will finalize the error, we will fix the error. Okay, once we will fix the error, then we have to create one tr. Tr means whenever we save the configurations, you will get one customized one number, tr number, that is. So ecc 70, if you observe it, so when you done the configuration, anything in spro screen, not end user screen, spro screen, if you done the configuration, you save the data, you will get one table pop up, sap is a customized request number, ECC and short disk something. So that is it is in TR number. Short TR means transfer request. That is transfer request. So that ticket number, ticket one will come transfer request. So we have to raise the TR request, means development system we done the fix, we fix the error. Then we need to move the ticket from quality testing, sorry, development system to quality systems. That means server. We need to move the data from one system to another system. We will use this create TRs. Once TR is created, we will use this T code, ABAP T code, this SC09, SC01. So we'll use this T code. So we will move the data from development system to quality systems. Here, once we will receive the data in quality systems, they will test it at multiple levels. What are the testing they will done? SIT they will do, system integration test. Then UT they will test it, unit test. So this will be do from the our functional teams only. Maybe the senior people they will test it. Once they will test it, yes, ticket is fixed, error is fixed, then they will inform to client side. The person is UAT, they will do user accept test. That means client side core business teams. Once they will also check that confirm yes ticket is fixed, then one any data from here quality to testing system to we need to move the data from to production systems. These production systems, any data moving, that will be completely taken care by the technical teams. Technical teams means admin basis team is there. There the team are responsibility moving any data from to any server to production systems. The production system completely responsibility is in admin based systems. Whatever if we need to move the data from production system, we need to communicate to them, they will move the data. But we need to give the data to them, they will just to transferring data, transferring from one system to another system. That will be taken care by the completely technical thing. So we will not touch that top areas and we will not do that kind of works. Our roles is completely development system plus quality and testing system. Between two systems only our works. Whether if you are there in implementation project, whether you are in support project, so our works is this here only. Okay, this is support project. Once we will see how in we practically where this transfer requires to this ABAP course and all. Just I will show you in system how the ticket also raising in SAP systems. I will show you. But backend generally the support it is in the technical tool. They will assign into the SAP systems. So technical teams means the ticketing tools we discussed. Um, BMS, Remedy, SAP Solution Manager, then Service Now, they will assigning ticketing tools backend to the SAP servers. Okay, so okay, so tickets generally where will come means help, under help here, create support message. Okay, just click this one. These examples I'm showing, but real times even we will not use this kind of. Maybe this is inbuilt support in SAP itself, but generally ticketing tools are separate. They're linking to backend support team ticketing tool to SAP system. Here component means which topic you got this error. Now whether it's a creating PO, whether creating vendor master, whether creating metal master, or doing the goods receipt. So we just click this one. So it will get complete list of. See, here we need to be select which areas it is in. Like it is in a customer relationship, it is in CRM will come. This is financial accounting will invest. This is industries. Okay, industries, telecommunications. They will use this one. So we will use enterprises materials management somewhere supplier, this one cross contains qualities. One second. See here, materials management. So if you are an we should be select here. If you are an SD teams, SD. Quality management, plant manage, customer, each and every modules. Again, it is in department wise are there. I mean modules wise. So in case we are we just click this, the plus one. So you will get list of under that. See where it is in purchasing, external service, inventory management, invoice verification area or information system, electronic data interchange, foreign trade management, in case purchasing. So you will click again purchasing where you got this, whether RFQ levels, whether outline agreements, whether you creating purchase order, whether you creating purchase requisition. So in case purchase order, again we select this one, so it will come underscore purchase organization PO. That means we got error in this area or maybe at the time of week creation time. Here short test. You can enter say PO error something. Okay. Once you fix this error, I mean entering error, the priority is there here. So we need to be select which levels we are going to raising this. Very high, high, medium, low are there. Again times there, each and every SLA it is there. That will be again technical teams back end. The ticketing tools will come under. So it will not exactly what is the time here. We will not see in this one, but it's be linked to technical, I mean ticketing tools inside. So okay, so we will fix this and the screenshot wherever you got error, you can copy the screenshot and paste here. It will come here and here save and send. So send means again it will be linked to our Outlook mail IDs. So then we will attach this to ticket and all. So when you sending this one, you will get one number will come. That is, this is a standard one, but real times we when the ticketing tools assigning to SAP system, then it will be linked backend. Okay, once you save this one, okay, so you will it will come to ticket. Then we will after we fix that error, so SC09 or SC01 anyone you can use. This is TR, transport organizer, but generally TR only we will call. First here modifiable release is there. So first we have to check it is the error in modifiable. So here. So release means once you release the ticket means that is once move the data from qualities is one development system to qualities. It's very difficult. Again we will before you releasing we should be fix that error. Otherwise if you not fix that you sending again they will sending back, it will be just going coming and all it will be happen. Just you select modifiable and example go to display, so you will get here. So this is our customized numbers at the time of any purchase order in configurations level. We will got this TR, I mean this is the TR number, transfer request, customized request. If this click this one under this, so user to it's a customized here object list of request what you done the configurations here. So this is released one status. After released you will get one tick mark. How we will release means just click this button. Okay, so you just click. So what we created under this number, you will get information, so short test description also. See, under this number, so this is the we configuration done. What are the configuration? This batch management, we done the configurations for yesterday classes. See, allocate the inventory management, search procedure and check activation, define inventory management strategy types, so search procedure, attributes of material types. Under this number, so this is the I done the configurations. If I want to release this one complete, this we done in development system. Now I want to move this data whatever I done the configuration to quality systems. How we will doing data from one system to another system, just put cursor here. Here release is there. The vehicle symbol it is there, lorry. So release directly. So this again, once you release this one, data will be transferring from development system to quality systems. There again, testing teams, they will test it. Whatever we done, the configurations here, okay. So maintain define metal groups. So define metal groups, what I created, again, you just click this one, D1 to 3 I created. So view maintenance data. So this is the table name, VO23. Under that, see, it will go lot of in depth. The fields, tables, see D1 to 3. I created purchase material group yesterday. So material groups T code is OMSF. Yesterday I had done. So that is I will show you here. OMSF. Go to position. Okay. D1 to 3 I created yesterday. This one. Or maybe if I will select copy this one, let's say examples. Now I will create uh, A1 2 3 4 5. Okay, enter, save. If I will save, see this is number is 31. See EH7 K9 00031. Under this one, if I will continue, so this is customized request TR number. Promote for customizing request. Whatever we see, this is V023 maintenance. The same thing only under this one. Let's examples. Now here we created D1 to 3. Now if you see, I will go back and I will come back here. A1 2 3 4 5. It will come here. How? So I will continue here. Okay. So now done. So I will just here. I will go back. Okay. Again display. Okay. Just 31. I think this one. Okay. So here define material group. Just this one. V023. Okay, that is yesterday date will come. 1 second. I will show you that. This is release list. Wait a second. I will go back and I will come back. It should come the same thing only the material group number. It is not coming. This server, it will be very slow in this process because it is in the backend server. We need to get the information because server it is a lot of data is there. It will take time to get the data immediately or something. Completely this will come in development only. This is we using this one customer. No, this one's not coming. Should come this one here only 31 number only. It is not coming. Define material groups. Hmm, hmm, why it is not coming? Okay, maybe some other reasons it is not coming. So whatever we do in configuration, this will come here. So once we will select this number, under that number, how whatever we done the configuration, we will move to from development system to quality systems. Again, once quality is then we will after that once they receive TR, they will test it multiple levels. What are the testing? There is three types of testing. Then once user test is done, then we'll move the data from quality to production systems. Okay, so interview they will ask, so how you will be handling the tickets. So tickets first they will ask the questions we should say. So tickets will be handling based on priorities. So priority means first I will handle high, medium, low. Okay, this is the first step. Second step, once we will receive the ticket, then we will do the configure. We will fix the error in development systems. Once development system with ticket is fixed, then we will raise the TR transfer request from development system to quality systems. We will use if they will ask what is the T code, you can say otherwise you will move the data from you can say move the data from quality system sorry development system to quality systems. Once we will testing is done in quality system, what type of test means you should say before you will ask or after also you can say this is the testing means system SIT we will do, system integration test, unit test we will do, the finally UAT we will test it. UAT means from the core teams, business to side core teams are okay. UAT means user accept test. Once it is done, then we will same TR we will release from the quality server to production server. That will be technical teams, admin basis teams. They will take the responsibility. That's it. This is the process. If they will ask what is the ticketing tools you have experience means, you can say BMS Remedy, anyone. If you have any third party apart from this also you can say no problem. They will not ask you can they will not give to you one ticket and fix and they'll show me and all. They will not ask what is the ticketing tools, any ticketing tools, but this is a process what we discuss. Okay. And last two topics are there. Monday or we will discuss and we will close by Tuesday. I mean Monday and Wednesday. Wednesday is last. Okay.
Okay.